Hello everyone, welcome to Alcalà Technology. So now I want to introduce the new car, the new project we are doing. Is a Mercedes 450 SEL, so coming from Macao, China. We are starting with all the disassembly because we have hard and several work with all this body. Let's see, because today we're gonna finish all the body disassembly and tomorrow we will start with the engine. So let's keep in tune. Hello everyone, we have just finished the disassembly of the dashboard, inside console and all the doors and everything of the body of this car. So I want you to see all the process of all the disassembly, all the reparation of all the rust and all the disperfections of the, you can see that there are no doors. So everything it's been repaired during this week. Front bonnet, doors, rear bonnet. So in 3, 2, 1, go to the video. So, where is the engine? We have been working really hard to remove this engine. Actually, it was really hard because everything was rusted. All the bolts, every bolt you touch it that we were touching, trying to remove, every bolt was a problem. But well, in 3, 2, 1, go video. You have seen all the process and all the work that we have been doing in the past. Now we have the engine here. What a project. So now we're gonna start working hard. So in the next chapter you will see the process of restoration of this V8 Beauty and all the procedure of painting all the body. So keep in tune.